Today, I will show you how to split inconsistent text in Excel. So I have inconsistent names here. Some of them have middle name, some of them have only the initial of the middle name, and some of them don't have any middle name. Let's split them by using two functions, text before and text after. So let's do the first name first. So we're going to use here text before, select text before, and then select your text and then provide the delimiter. Delimiter is the value where you want your text to be. I want my text to be split from the first space, so I want the text before the first space. So we will put the quotation mark, just put an empty space, and then press the enter. So it gave me the first name. Hopefully when I copy this formula down, it will only give the first name from all these names. And now we'll do the last name. So for this, we will use text after, put text after here, then select the text. Now we need to provide the delimiter, which will be this space now. So we want all the text after the second space. So now we will count the spaces from this side. So we will say that we want all the text after the last space. Here we put the same empty space here. Now we want, as we are counting from right side, so we will put -1, then press enter. Give me the last name. So if we provide -1, it will count from this side. So let's copy down this formula. Give me all the second name, even in between the people who don't have middle name. Now middle name is a bit tricky one. So we're going to use two functions here, text after and text before, both together. Let's use text before first. Our text will be this one. And then we want, for delimiter will be the same, a space, and then we said that keep all the text before the second space. So for example, Ethan James Carter, so all the text before the second space will be Ethan and James, and then we will say now provide the text before the second space. So for this name, Ethan James Carter, it will be Ethan James only, and if we press enter, it will give name like this, but we only want middle name. As it didn't find a second space here, that's why it's giving an error. I will tell you how to sort this as well. Now, as we have first and middle name here now, but we want only middle name. So now we use text after here, and then put the comma here, and then again, our delimiter will be a say, and we want the text after the first space now. So for Ethan Jane, the first space is here, and we will get just the middle name here. So we will say after the one space, we'll put comma here and put 1 here, and then put the bracket now, then press enter. It gives only the middle name here. It's giving empty here because there were two spaces here. But if we don't have a space here, it's giving error for this one and this one because they don't have middle name. So let's handle this error now. So what we will do is now we have this error NA here and NA here. Let's sort out this error. As they don't have middle name, that's why it's showing an error here. Let's sort this out. So to sort this error, what we will do is we'll put if and a. It means if an error comes up, what you do is put an empty space. But if the error comes up, just replace it with an empty space. This will look much better. Let's try this out. I'll close the bracket and try this out. If we copy down this formula, error is gone. It will leave an empty space here, so that will look much better like this. Hopefully, you understand the text after, text before functions, and also you understand the function if the error comes up, how to deal with that. Hopefully, you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you like this video and you understand the concept. In my next video, you can do these things by using Power Query as well, which will be much more easier for a beginner level. I'll look for part 2.